Hello everyone, welcome to Close Up on America's Business, the program that takes you inside some of the most unique and successful companies in America. I'm Janice Marie. On each edition of our show, you have the opportunity to meet some of the most innovative business leaders in the country today. You'll find out what their products, services, technologies, and business models can do for you, and what they're doing to change our world and to change the way we do business.
Ever wonder what makes a house a home? Well, there are probably a myriad of answers to that question. But for many, it might be something as simple as a beautiful swimming pool. I mean, let's face it, there's not much that beats a cool dip in the pool after a long, hard day at the office or at work. Maybe it's a weekend pool party, or something as simple as a little exercise. Yes, indeed. Having a pool in your backyard is certainly a welcome addition to anybody's home. Having a pool installed can seem like an impossible dream to many. But what most people don't realize is that it can be done reasonably, efficiently, and decoratively. To find out how, we went to Puryear Custom Pools to talk to Jason and Jennifer Satterwhite, because they have the answers as to how they can make your dream come true.
We're about building a quality product without a lot of sales gimmicks, a lot of sales tactics, without any pressure. We want you to get exactly what you want for the amount of money that you want to spend. And we help you get there. Puryear Custom Pools builds custom gunite swimming pools and backyard environments. We build everything from barbecue pits to arbors, pergolas, patio covers, screened-in porches, landscaping, landscape lighting, fences, everything that has to do with the safety or the construction of a swimming pool, waterfalls and slides and all that sort of stuff.
Everybody up here, we're all very playful, we're all very down to earth, we like to joke around. So it's just once you join the company and once we start building your pool, you are a part of that. Building a pool can be a stressful thing if you don't pick the right company. So we try and make our customers be relaxed and have fun with the process and enjoy the fact that they're getting their dream.
Tell us about the Dream Home Project and how you initially got involved with that.
We got a phone call one day from the ladies at the magazine, and they said, okay, you know, we're building the dream home, and of course we have to, you know, select a pool builder, and you know, we're interviewing several of them, so you know, we'd like to come and talk to you. So I made an appointment for them to come and visit, and we sat down, and I was like, well, wow, you know, this is a great idea. I really like it. We walked the permit through with a lot of charm and a lot of phone calls, and we got the pool done, and it was amazing because there was a lot of rock work, and the dream home was actually flat backyard, so we actually used every last piece of dirt that we dug out of the ground, and then we actually brought in more to build it all up the way it is.
We selected Puryear because we felt like they were the best for the job. We interviewed a number of different pool builders in that northern Tarrant County area, and we really felt like a northern Tarrant County pool builder would be best suited for this job since our dream home was in South Lake. Now, building a dream home is stressful because of the turnaround time. Everything's moving very quickly, and communication is key. Puryear did a great job in communicating the progress of the pool all the way from the first time they put a shovel in the ground to the final day when we poured water into the pool, and communicating with our builder and with us helped eliminate a lot of the stress that typically goes along with building a pool.
I don't want someone to come in here and feel like they're at a car lot, you know, and they're getting hounded, the high pressure sales. Normally the first meeting's at your home. We come out, we take a look at the site, we see the elevations, we see what we're dealing with, and then usually from there we leave and we come back and design a backyard for you. And then we bring you back to the office, you pick out materials here, what all the different surfaces of the decking or the plaster, the different types of coping, waterfalls, rock, all that stuff, and then we put it on a TV here for you. It's all in 3D, and we can walk around your backyard after we've designed it. And then after that, after we've picked out all the materials, then we can sit down and work out a price with you.
It starts with basically a couple of scratch drawings and measurements of the house, the yard, and taking a few pictures to make it more realistic. From there, we will go, and a lot of times we'll actually start designing once we have the permanent structures like the house and the property lines involved in the computer software. we can start designing their swimming pool. To basically get something like this designed, it takes quite a bit of time, but just looking at the picture as a whole, it all comes together and it looks great. But to start this process, you start with something like this. And as you can see, there's nothing on it. So you have to go through the different phases and all the drawing processes and begin by building a house. This is a very neat design because I can actually take you into your house, and this would be what you would see out your back door from inside the house. This is the closest I can get you to seeing what this pool would look like in your backyard without actually building it. And then you can walk out of your house into your existing patio, and this is how you get to it. This is one of the neatest features about this design, I think, are the flagstone steps built to a 6-foot tall platform that it's basically a mini cliff that you can actually jump off the cliff into the water. You go the other way up the steps and you go down this custom-made gunite slide. A lot of times we will go through 2 or 3 different designs, and if I can't get everything done in the first meeting, we will bring people back to the showroom, show them the designs on a big screen TV, change them, get them. That's why we have outside a pool built with different materials on it as far as decking and everything, because there are so many choices that a lot of people don't think about when they're building a pool. That's my job, to explain as many of those choices and have something to show them what their options are.
We chose Puryear Custom Pools because when they came out, we felt very comfortable. We felt like they were educating us on all the different aspects of a pool. And when you build a pool, it's a one-time investment. You can't come back and add something to it next year. And we felt like they did a very good job of educating us, answering any questions we had, and gave us some very good recommendations on what they would or would not do to our particular pool.
They allow you to design your own pool. You'll be able to put a hot tub, a planter, and put it where you want to, and they'll show you exactly how it's going to look in the back of your house.
The best things Puryear did for us is every morning we received a phone call letting us know what they were doing that day, who was going to be at our house, and exactly what stage of the building we were in. They were also very good about letting us know what we would be doing as far as the next step and what day to expect the next person out. My advice to anyone that's going to build a pool is, if they want a good company that's going to build them a great pool, make their yard a backyard paradise, then give Puryear a call, because they'll give you honest, upfront information. They'll get in, get your pool built, get out of your way so that you can go in and enjoy it.
You've been very successful, you and your husband, thus far, but as you look into the future, what do you see?
You know, as far as our growth is concerned, we are very adamant. We don't want to be huge. We're really content just focusing on being better and coming up with better systems and better ways of doing things, and being that company that people instantly think, I got to build with them. And that's our goal. Really, just being the best that we can be right now. You don't find anybody that's any more honest and any more down to earth than the two of us. And that's what I'm most proud of, is the fact that our success has not changed the people that we are. It has not changed our values that we were raised with. And that's really what I'm the most proud of.
I think people these days are starting to stay home more and not go on vacation as much, and so they're spending more time at home, and we are trying to create an environment where they want to be there. A lot of people that we build swimming pools for always tell us, that we were going to go on vacation, but we decided to take the money and put it in our backyard, and so, we're trying to create an environment where they can be on vacation 365 days a year.
A dream home is something we all strive for. Thanks to our good friends at Puryear Custom Pools, that dream could soon become reality. I'm Scott Murray, reporting from Fort Worth.
Well, that does it for this edition of Close Up on America's Business. I'm Janice Marie. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.